Hello everyone. Are you looking to enhance the precision and quality of your automotive assemblies while making them lighter and stronger? If yes, then join our upcoming webinar to discover how. In this webinar, I along with my colleague Giampaolo will explore the transformative power of hot metal gas forming, which offers design freedom and enhanced structural integrity compared to traditional methods. See firsthand how replacing conventional sheet metal parts with high-precision hot metal gas-formed tubular components directly impacts your assemblies, leading to improved overall quality. We will also present a case study demonstrating how digital tools can assist you in efficiently validating not only the quality of hot metal gas-formed tubular component, but also their impact on the final assembly quality. So don't miss this opportunity to gain crucial insights into enhancing the quality of your assembly and register now for the webinar. We look forward to sharing these valuable insights with you. Thank you.